Except for the water contained in it, most of the sludge that accumulates in a large crude oil tank is composed of material that can be reused. Taiho Industries has developed a completely new system for cleaning sludge from the interior of these large oil tanks. The Taiho Crude Oil Washing System, or COWS, offers great savings in safety, time, and manpower. The dissolution and removal of accumulated sludge is one of the most perplexing and time-consuming of problems. Besides the amount of downtime required to clean a crude oil tank, conventional cleaning methods also mean that very little oil is recovered from sludge, and this creates both wastage and environmental problems. Taiho Industries introduces a new era in this type of work with a single system that solves all the problems of manpower, time, safety, and the effective utilization of resources connected with the dissolving and cleaning of crude oil sludge. This is the Taiho COW system. With the Taiho COW system, the tank is filled with inert gas. Hardened sludge accumulated in the tank is then dissolved with wash oil from the Taiho jet washer. As the sludge is dissolved, it goes to another tank via the Taiho sludge ejector system. Powerful jets of hot water then remove any oil still remaining. The operation takes only about 30 days to complete, and because no one need enter the tank during the process, it requires very little manpower and provides a high degree of safety. Practically all of the oil contained in the accumulated sludge is collected, which contributes greatly to the effective reutilization of resources. Now, let's take a look at the steps involved in the Taiho crude oil washing system. First, the necessary number of deck supports are removed from the tank to be cleaned, and the Taiho jet washer is installed. The Taiho sludge ejector system is then installed beside the tank to be cleaned. The system is a centralized one in which oil transfer and recovery operations proceed automatically. Next to the ejector system, its wash oil supply pump is installed. Piping is laid to connect all the equipment in the system. A liquid nitrogen tank truck and an evaporator will supply inert gas for the tank interior. This operation can also be performed with different types of inert gas generators. Next, a system is installed to monitor the levels of oxygen and hydrocarbons inside the tank. This monitoring system records the composition of atmospheric gases in the interior and gives an alarm should something untoward take place. With the cleaning equipment in place, the actual cleaning operation begins with inert gas being introduced into the tank. The inert gas is used to make sure that static electricity inside the tank will not cause an explosion. To ensure complete safety, the atmospheric gases inside the tank are held to less than 8% oxygen content. With the inert gas in place, the Taiho jet washers go into action, breaking down, dissolving, and washing away sludge accumulations with high-pressure wash oil. The jet washer nozzles move automatically to ensure that the entire interior is cleaned. There are no dead spots. The dissolved sludge is recovered by the Taiho sludge ejector system and sent back to the wash oil supply tank. The ejector system uses vacuum pumps, whose negative pressure quickly sucks oil and sludge from the drain nozzles of the tank being cleaned and sends it on its way to the wash oil tank. Once the oil has been drained from the tank being cleaned, the tank is rinsed with hot water from the jet washers. The ejector system sends the mixture of oil and water now obtained to a separator system for recovery of the oil. This sequence of operations, from the oil wash to the hot water rinse, form the most significant feature of the Taiho cow system. The final cleaning takes place once the tank has been opened and vented. The entire process takes about 30 days, a dramatic saving in time. Here are some of the reasons why the Taiho cow system, the world's first oil storage tank cleaning system, is unique. The entire operation takes place without anyone having to enter the tank while cleaning is going on. This means that the process is completely safe. The fact that the operations take place in an inert gas environment also means that there is no danger of static electricity causing an explosion. The length of the cleaning process does not vary, no matter how much sludge is accumulated in the tank. This provides great advantages in general cost and tank operation efficiency. The system provides a dramatic increase in both the quantity and quality of oil recovered from sludge and wax. As you can see, there is practically no oil left in the sludge remaining inside the tank. The Taiho cow system offers a degree of efficiency and economy in the utilization of natural resources impossible with conventional tank cleaning methods. The Taiho cow system also responds to the concerns, more common in recent years, of personal safety and environmental protection. Since the hot water wash all but eliminates sludge, there is no harmful influence on the bodies of workers inside the tank. The environment is protected from air pollution. The emission of hydrocarbon gases is minimized during the cleaning process. In this process, the sludge is not disposed of, and petroleum products are extracted from the water used in cleaning, leading to a reduction in industrial waste. The Taiho cow system represents a new era in oil tank cleaning, preserving personal safety, avoiding pollution, and providing highly efficient recycling of resources. Taiho Industries, from its basis as a maker of fine industrial chemicals, has a long tradition of forward-looking research and development devoted to the twin themes of environmental consciousness and efficiency of production. The Taiho cow system represents tank cleaning technology developed and refined with the effort that has made Taiho Industries one of the world's top companies in its field. Taiho Industries, to encourage the use of its cow system in oil-producing areas and throughout the rest of the world, provides a full range of support services and fosters the development of skilled technologists in other nations with a comprehensive program of education and training. The Taiho Industries Crude Oil Washing System, the state-of-the-art in oil tank cleaning. Taiho Cows.